Yo, it's B was doing a track for the Twisted Destruction and Wanted Production. Don't spend your fucking life on this box. Don't pose. Don't hate. Just do your fucking thing and move the fuck on. The site is dedicated to all the motherfuckers on Yahoo who just want to get some progs and have a little fun. No drama, no bullshit. Just get it and get her done. Yeah. Too much fucking drama, too many fucking lies. People playing hardcore cause they got a sight. Too many fake ass bitches with they fake ass fucking dick. Too many fucking guys on the mind talking about they dick. Too many script kids proclaiming that they're hackers. Reality is, they some script kiddie yankers. A lot of y'all crews losing their dignity. Enjoying it for you lose your individuality. Be true, blue, and I don't know Tom. Yet even to keep it real like the TwistedDestruction.com.
Don't get caught up in this trend. Vegas lying, internet shit. Oh no.
Wanted Productions and Twisted Destruction. They wanna know what your major malfucking function. Fuck all the drama, all the glory and the fame. Acting really fucking tough cause you got an illegal name. It's an internet life that you're trying to fucking live. Don't be wasting all your life cause you only got one to give. Use it as a hobby or a small recreation. Not a way of walking life, a final destination. Use it as a lot of fun, an extension of your mind. You need to enjoy all your life, your internet time.
Don't get caught up in this trend. Vegas lying, internet shit. Oh no.
I'm a hypocrite cause it's Twisted Destruction. The internet's nothing like it's not their main function. They wanted production, they both feel the same. It's not their fucking way of life, it's just an internet game. Fame and glory, they don't need no fucking more. You know, they have it when you came through their fucking door. So come and get your pulse, that one key log. Always be true, you'll always be walking tall. Don't get caught up and trapped in this internet crap. If you feel your fucking emo, give your heart fucking slap.